The question page is going to be another tab, so I'm going to use a standard tab. Change the name to question. Actually, questions with an S, and then choose an icon, and then click Save. Let's change some of the items here. Let's change the screen title firstly, and then let's change this first line of text. Now that I have this question being asked, answer the following question, I need to put in number 1 and number 2, the two numbers that make up the sum. So I'm going to add an input box, and the name for this input box will be number 1. That is one of our variables that we use in the JavaScript. I'll also delete the title and the default value, and then save that. So now I have my first number field. Then I'll add some text underneath that, and under that text another input box. Now this input box is going to be our second number, so that variable is called number 2. I'm then going to add some more text underneath those two input boxes. And now we can add a final input box, which is for the user to fill in their answer. Now the variable that we've used in our JavaScript is the word guess. So you need to type in guess as the name for this input box. There we have our question. So we're going to have number 1 plus number 2, which will be filled in, and the user has to enter the sum, what they equal. A little bit more text, and the final item on this screen will be a button. The label will be the word continue. We won't change the action now, we'll do that later. So we can just save that. There we go. So that's the question screen complete.